The way I'm giving belt, you would think I was a fucking LARPer, but I'm not. My leader account is a Top Step account. This is why I take out my trades on. I take my trades on Top Step, and that's my leader account, which these follow. Oh shit! Wait. Okay, boom. So this is what I get my daily P&L for each account. So this say 16,000. That's because last night I took a trade during Asia session, so it's not gonna restart until the next Asia session. So I really during New York session I only made about let's see 10,300 or something, and that's across XFAs and evals. I should have more evals done tomorrow and should be a bunch of XFAs. But today was real simple. What we had was coming into it, I was completely bearish. Obviously, we're in a bearish market, but the problem is we had an unfilled 4 hour above us, and we had a unfilled 30-minute. So I just marked out the 4 hour. So what happened was during market open, yeah, I could just take it all the way back. During market open, when did market open? Boom. We're gonna delete this. So my logic was that we was gonna head towards. Actually, I'm bringing it back. My logic was we was gonna head towards this 4 hour and maybe reject off and continue down, or we could start this market maker buy model. But what I wanted to see was us get a market shift for me to be bullish, which we did. We got the market shift right at market open. Right at market open, we had shifted because we closed above this internal high. Because we was in a downtrend, we have a fucking low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, and then we closed above the lower high, which made it bullish then, even if it was only temporary to go towards the ultimate draw, which I felt like the ultimate draw for today was to fill in this 4 hour gap. So we got the market shift, so I wanted to see a retracement into maybe a gap or something. But what we end up getting is we get a sweep. We get a sweep of this low, which is technically New York low, and ES failed to do so. ES did not come down and sweep out this low. We did not come out sweep out this liquidity, which is also resting inside of 4 hour gap. We did not sweep it, which on New York, we are also in this 4 hour gap, which is a good sign. If you get an SMT inside of a key level, which key level is a 4 hour gap, a 1 hour gap, 30-minute gap, then typically you want to start looking in the opposite direction if it give you the confirmation to. So, like I said, for New York, not New York, for NASDAQ, we came down, we swept this low. Boom. We form an SMT, to which ES didn't even come nowhere near this low. So that's a good sign that we're going to continue up. And I was targeting this internal high that we created inside this 15-minute gap. Once market had open, we left this liquidity here. So and what I ended up taking was a 30-second. I took a 30-second inversion. I don't have 30 seconds on here, but I have 30 seconds on Top Step, which I can show you. 30 seconds. Where was it? 30-second right here. Had a 30-second gap. Once we close this gap, I went ahead and took entry. And that's when I broke even right here. I broke even at this 5-minute fair value gap because this was the only thing that could send price back down. If I was wrong, this was what was going to send price back down to take me out. So I went ahead and went break even once we hit this 5-minute fair value gap, and then it ultimately went to TP. So that was about 3 minutes. 3 minutes worth of trading. 10,000. So technically, I only have 5 XFAs right now. So if we want to be technical, what I made was for pocket was about 4,000. It was 3,970. The rest of them were um, evals. So, that's all I got for today. Real simple day. Like I said, I was super bullish. I mean, I was super bearish, but what I noticed was we had this unfilled 4 hour. We got the unfilled 4 hour. Market wants to rebalance imbalances all the time. So if we had a reason to, and then another reason I wasn't trying to go lower yet is because boom, this is 300 points away. I don't think we're gonna move 300 points like unless we had some crazy fucking news. And another thing, I was gonna take a sale if it gave me a sale at this 15 minute, but it didn't. It gave me a buy model, so I'm pretty happy with this trade. It worked out. It did ultimately go to this 4 hour, and now it's going in the opposite direction. So that's all I got.